Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Uber makes an app update for drivers. Read this one real quick. Talking about recording safety.
So Uber expands in-app audio recording safety feature to Little Rock.
Yep. This is not going nationwide yet, but pretty cool update.
Yeah, so it allows drivers and riders to record audio during trips to users in Little Rock.
What?
What?
The delay. You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Who in there, God knows why they chose Little Rock to be, I'm assuming there was some, literally time and time again, I'm assuming there was some story that came out and there's some, case that happened, some lawsuit in Little Rock where now Uber's like, oh, let's just do it in Little Rock so we can cover ourselves because there was somebody who got attacked in an Uber car, so we'll just do it in Little Rock. Really, this should be nationwide, but go ahead. What were you gonna say?
Yeah, Little Rock is so random. Like, I don't know.
It is, yeah. It's Arkansas. There's not that many people there. That's for sure.
Yeah. So I think like whenever a trip or a ride is active, your phone, like through the app, will start like recording the audio.
What an absolute joke.
Safety.
I'm sorry, but there's only 202,000 people in Little Rock. Little Rock is a tiny little town.
Is that where Elvis is from?
Yeah, I guess so. Look at LA, there's 4 million people in LA. There's only 200,000 in Little Rock. I mean, this is like a joke. Like, oh yeah, we're doing such a great thing. We're doing in-app audio recording in freaking Little Rock, bro. I'm sorry, I don't care if you live in Little Rock. I'm sure you're a great person, but like, there's only 200,000 people there. It's not a big city by any means.
Yeah.
Sorry, ranting. Safety toolkit. Go to the safety toolkit. I mean, yeah, this is a great feature, for sure. Pretty cool feature.
Of his shares in the company.
But yeah, they're just doing, it's just some money. They're just trying to do this to protect their stock from falling. I'll guarantee you that. There's probably some story that came out about how Uber's not safe and yada, yada, yada. Something happened in Little Rock. And then their stock started falling. And then they go, oh, wait, we're recording rides in Little Rock. No, if you're in Little Rock, nothing to worry about. Their stock started going back up.
Also, just a little note about this. If you're going to use the in-app audio recording, you definitely need to have a charger. I mean, you should have a charger in your car anyways, but this will like drain your battery.
Yeah, exactly.